Today we are looking at one of the most iconic luxury cruisers from the golden era of American automobiles, the 1985 Cadillac Brougham, finished in a very rare and eye-catching pink color. This is not just a car, it is a statement of style, excess, comfort, and pure 80s automotive personality. Back in its time, the Brougham represented the final chapter of old-school Cadillac luxury before modern designs took over. And when you see it in pink, it becomes something even more unforgettable, almost like a rolling piece of pop culture. In this video, we will go through a full long review of the car, covering its exterior design, the unique pink interior, driving performance, comfort experience, and finally the current market prices and collector demand. Whether you are a classic car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates vintage luxury, this Cadillac has a story worth hearing. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior, because the 1985 Cadillac Brougham already has a presence that you cannot ignore even in factory colors, but in pink, it becomes something truly special. The design language of the Brougham is pure 80s American luxury. It is long, boxy, and unapologetically bold. There are no soft curves trying to make it sporty or modern. Instead, it proudly carries sharp edges, a tall chrome grille, and a formal limousine-like silhouette. The long hood stretches forward with confidence, while the rear end is squared off like a luxury mansion on wheels. The chrome work is everywhere. Around the windows, along the bumpers, on the grille, and even subtle trims on the body panels. Cadillac at this time believed that luxury should shine, and this car proves it. Now, what makes this particular example stand out is the pink paint. A pink Cadillac Brougham instantly changes the entire personality of the car. Instead of just being formal and elegant, it becomes bold, expressive, and almost celebrity-like. The paint reflects light beautifully, especially under sunlight, giving it a soft but flashy glow. It is the kind of car that turns heads at every corner, not because it is loud in sound, but because it is loud in presence. The car sits on classic white wall tires paired with wire spoke wheels, which were a signature luxury touch in the 80s Cadillac lineup. The long body, extended rear, and soft suspension stance give it that floating road presence that Cadillac was famous for. At the rear, the vertical tail lights are another iconic design cue. They are simple but elegant, and they reinforce the boxy luxury identity of the car. The trunk is massive, almost like a storage room, which was perfect for long road trips or chauffeured rides. Overall, the exterior of the 1985 Cadillac Brougham in pink is not subtle at all. It is a rolling statement piece, built for attention and admiration. Interior. Stepping inside the Cadillac Brougham is like entering a completely different era. The interior is where Cadillac really focused its identity as a luxury leader in the United States, and this pink interior takes that experience to another level. The first thing you notice is the smell and feel of old-school American luxury materials. There is a strong presence of soft leather, padded vinyl, plush carpeting, and wood-style trim accents. Everything feels oversized, soft, and designed for comfort rather than sportiness. Now imagine all of this finished in pink tones. The seats, door panels, and even parts of the dashboard carry shades of pink that match the exterior theme. It creates a bold and unusual aesthetic that you rarely see in modern cars. Instead of trying to be neutral or minimal, this interior embraces personality. The front seats are wide bench-style seats, offering seating for 3 passengers in the front row. They are heavily cushioned, almost like sitting on a sofa. The seating position is relaxed, and the visibility from inside the cabin is excellent because of the large windows and upright design. The dashboard is long and horizontal, with simple analog gauges. You won't find modern digital screens or advanced technology here. Instead, everything is mechanical, straightforward, and built for ease of use. The steering wheel is large and thin, another signature feature of cars from this era. One of the highlights is the rear seat comfort. The back seats feel like a private lounge. There is so much legroom that passengers can stretch comfortably even on long journeys. This is why the Brougham was often used as a chauffeur-driven luxury car. The pink interior may not be for everyone, but it perfectly reflects the bold design choices of the time. It is dramatic, unique, and unforgettable. In today's world of black, gray, and beige interiors, this Cadillac feels like a creative explosion from the past. Performance. Now let's talk about how the 1985 Cadillac Brougham performs on the road. Under the hood, most Brougham models from this era came with large V8 engines, designed more for smooth cruising than speed. This is not a sports car, and it never tries to be one. Instead, it focuses on effortless highway driving and comfort. When you start the engine, you feel a deep, calm V8 rumble. It is not aggressive, but more like a steady heartbeat. The transmission is an automatic gearbox that shifts softly, prioritizing smoothness over performance. On the road, the Brougham feels like it is floating. The suspension is extremely soft, designed to absorb bumps, potholes, and uneven surfaces with ease. This is what people often refer to as the cushion ride feel of classic Cadillacs. You don't feel connected to the road in a sporty way, but rather isolated from it in a comfort-focused way. Steering is light, almost effortless, especially at low speeds. However, it is not very precise by modern standards. This is a big car, and you feel its size when turning or parking, but once you're cruising, it becomes very relaxing to drive. Acceleration is not fast by today's expectations. The car is heavy, and the engine is tuned for durability and smooth power delivery rather than speed. But for highway cruising, it is more than enough. It was built for long-distance comfort, not racing. One of the best experiences in this car is highway driving. At steady speeds, the cabin becomes quiet, stable, and extremely comfortable. It feels like the car was designed to eat miles without stressing the driver or passengers. Overall, driving the Cadillac Brougham is not about excitement. It is about relaxation, presence, and enjoying the journey in pure vintage luxury style. Prices. Now let's talk about the pricing and collector market for the 1985 Cadillac Brougham. Today, these cars have become classic luxury icons. Prices can vary widely depending on condition, originality, mileage, and customization. A standard well-maintained Cadillac Brougham from the mid-80s can range anywhere from a few $1,000s in rough condition to significantly higher prices for fully restored examples. However, a unique pink Cadillac like this changes the equation. Custom color schemes, especially rare or well-executed ones, often attract attention from collectors, show car enthusiasts, and even social media buyers. The value can increase if the paint job is high quality and the interior is well preserved or tastefully customized. That being said, originality always matters in the classic car market. Some collectors prefer factory original colors and trims, while others appreciate unique custom builds that stand out at shows and events. Fuel efficiency and maintenance costs are also factors that affect ownership today. The V8 engine is not economical by modern standards, and parts availability can vary depending on location. However, mechanically, these cars are relatively simple compared to modern vehicles, which makes them easier for classic car mechanics to maintain. In terms of investment, the Cadillac Brougham is not typically a high-value appreciating collector car like some European classics. Instead, it holds value in lifestyle appeal, nostalgia, and cultural significance. A pink version especially becomes more of a showpiece or statement car rather than a strict investment asset. Still, for enthusiasts who love 80s American luxury, this car is priceless in terms of experience and presence. The 1985 Cadillac Brougham in pink is more than just a car. It is a piece of automotive history that represents an era when luxury was big, bold, and unapologetically expressive. From its long boxy exterior and chrome detailing to its soft sofa-like interior and smooth cruising performance, everything about this car is designed around comfort and personality. The pink color adds an extra layer of uniqueness that makes it unforgettable. It is not subtle, and it is not trying to be. Instead, it celebrates individuality in a way that modern cars rarely do. Driving or even sitting inside this Cadillac feels like stepping into a time capsule of American luxury culture. It may not be fast, it may not be high-tech, but it delivers something that many modern cars have lost: character. If you are a collector, a classic car lover, or someone who simply appreciates bold automotive design, the Cadillac Brougham in pink is one of those machines that you never forget once you see it in person. And that is what makes it special.